Hey Seth, this is Adrien Moore from Loganville Ford. I got that 2015 Ford F-250 Lariat available, ready to go. Like I said, this is the 2015 6.7 liter. Beautiful vehicle, keyless entry pad here on the door, equipped with satellite radio, navigation, sunroof, all the bells and whistles that you'll see in the Lariat package. Very, very nice. And spin around the back. Heated seats for your passengers in the back as well. Seth, this is a great vehicle. 110 volt plug here. What can you ask for more than this? Again, my name's Adrien Moore from Loganville Ford. You can reach me at 770-554-9994. 770-554-9994. You take care, Seth, and I hope to speak with you soon.